Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Cherry Ann Catiprato Baloyos. I am 29 years old. I live in Bamunchuat, Ramon Magsaysay, Zamboanga del Sur. I am married to Herbert Hong Baloyos. He is 36 years old. He is a lineman. I have two kids, one son and one daughter. My son is 13 years old. My daughter, she is 9 years old. And they live in Bamunchuat, Ramon Magsaysay, Zamboanga del Sur. My father name is Berdencio Catiprato. He is 50 years old. He is a farmer. And my mother name is Milia Catiprato. She is 51 years old and she is a housekeeper. I am Catholic and I am a high school graduate. And I have two brothers and one sister and I am the three of them. I was work in Kuwait for 2 years. I served 4 members in the family, one adult, he is 48 years old, and 3 children. The eldest is 16 years old, and the second is 15 years old, and the youngest is 9 years old. And I give food every day, and cleaning the dress, and cooking. I was cooking, and I was cleaning the car and gardening, collecting the children from school.
You mentioned you work as domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years. Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
I was cooking, I was cleaning in the house and gardening. I was cleaning the car and I go to eat the groceries.
Can you tell us how you will take care of children or baby?
I will take care of baby. First, I will treat like my own baby. I changing diaper. I give a food, milk, taking a bath, dressing, bringing the children to school, and collecting the children from school.
How about taking care of elderly?
I don't have experience taking care of elderly, but I know how to taking care of elderly, like changing diaper, giving a food, giving a milk, and helping her to taking a bath, changing dress, bedtime routine, and always be patient.
What are some of your skills?
I was cooking, making laundry, cleaning the house, car, gardening, and everything.
You said you know how to cook. Do you have any experience in Chinese cooking?
Yeah, I was cook fried noodles, dried egg noodles, curry fish ball, scrambled egg, and beef sandwich.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
To be as a good domestic helper, I promise to treat them like my family, and I promise to work hard and strive to meet all expectation at this job.
Anything else you want to tell your future employer?
To my beloved employer, please choose me to be the one of your domestic helper, and I promise to be